Dear friends, welcome to Knowledge Park. From the deepest, most remote jungles to the ancient temples of bustling cities, one family of animals has captured our imagination like no other. There are distant cousins, the acrobats of the canopy, and the clever problem solvers of the forest. They are monkeys. But what exactly is a monkey? How does a tiny pygmy marmoset, small enough to fit in your hand, share a family tree with a powerful, ground-trotting baboon? And why is a clever chimpanzee not a monkey at all? For the next some minutes, we will embark on a global journey to unravel the secrets of these incredible creatures. We'll explore their unique adaptations, their complex societies, and the critical line that separates them from their ape relatives. So, let's swing into the canopy and begin our adventure in the world of monkeys. To understand monkeys, we first need to place them in the primate family. Primates are a group of mammals known for their large brains, forward-facing eyes for depth perception, and grasping hands, and often feet with 5 digits. Now, a crucial distinction. People often call all primates monkeys, but this isn't accurate. Lemurs, lorises, and tarsiers are more primitive primates, often with wet noses and a reflective layer in their eyes. Then, we have the grand division, the simians. This group contains both the monkeys and the apes. The simplest rule? Look at the tail. With very few exceptions, monkeys have tails. Apes, which include gibbons, orangutans, gorillas, and chimpanzees, do not have tails. Apes also tend to be larger, have more complex brains, and broader chests. So, remember, while all monkeys are simians, not all simians are monkeys. Monkeys are split into 2 spectacular superfamilies, separated by millions of years of evolution and vast oceans. Their story begins over 30 million years ago, when some early monkeys rafted from Africa to South America on floating vegetation, starting a new evolutionary path. This created the 2 branches, the Old World monkeys of Africa and Asia, and the New World monkeys of the Americas. Let's break down the key differences. First, geography. Old World monkeys are found in Africa and Asia. New World monkeys in Central and South America. Second, the nose. This is a dead giveaway. Old World monkeys have narrow noses with downward-facing nostrils, much like our own. New World monkeys have wide, flat noses with sideways-facing nostrils. In fact, their scientific name, Platyrrhini, literally means flat-nosed. Third, the tail. This is a huge difference. No Old World monkey has a prehensile or gripping tail. Their tails are used for balance or are short. But many New World monkeys have a spectacular 5th limb, a fully prehensile tail. The tip is bare and sensitive, acting like a finger, allowing them to grip branches and even pick up objects. Fourth, anatomy. Old World monkeys often have hard, bare pads on their rear ends called ischial callosities, which makes sitting comfortable. They also have opposable thumbs. New World monkeys lack these sitting pads, and their thumbs are less opposable. Now, let's meet some of the stars of the monkey world, starting in the Americas with the New World monkeys. This is the Pygmy Marmoset. The smallest monkey in the world, it weighs little more than a deck of cards. It has specialized teeth to gouge tree bark and feed on. And this is the Emperor Tamarin, sporting a magnificent white mustache that would make any aristocrat jealous. It was named after Emperor Wilhelm II of Germany. But the genius of the New World is arguably the Capuchin monkey. Renowned for their intelligence, they're master tool users, expertly selecting rocks to use as hammers and anvils to crack open tough nuts. And listen for this, sound of a howler monkey's deep roar. That is the howler monkey, possessing a special hyoid bone in its throat that acts as a resonating chamber. Its call is one of the loudest sounds made by any land animal, heard for miles through the dense jungle. And watch the acrobatic spider monkey, whose long limbs and supremely agile prehensile tail make it a master of brachiation, swinging hand over hand through the treetops. Now, let's cross the Atlantic to the Old World. Behold the mandrill. This is not just a monkey. It's the largest and most colorful of them all. The vibrant red and blue ridges on a male's face are a sign of his status and health. On the African savannas, we find the baboons. These are large, terrestrial, and incredibly adaptable. They live in complex, multi-level societies where social intelligence is key to survival. In the snowy mountains of Japan, the Japanese macaque, or snow monkey, has developed a unique cultural behavior, bathing in natural hot springs to warm up during the harsh winter, a testament to their intelligence and adaptability. And in the mangroves of Borneo, we find the bizarre and wonderful proboscis monkey. The male's large, pendulous nose may amplify its calls. And surprisingly, they are excellent swimmers with webbed feet and toes. A monkey is rarely truly alone. Their lives are defined by society. They live in troops, sometimes numbering in the hundreds, with intricate social hierarchies. Communication is key. Vervet monkeys in Africa have developed a sophisticated system of alarm calls. One distinct call for an eagle from above sends the troops scrambling for the bushes. A different call for a leopard on the ground sends them racing into the trees. This learned, specific communication is a form of proto-language. And then there's grooming. While it does remove pests, its primary function is social. It's how monkeys bond, resolve conflicts, and strengthen alliances. It's the glue that holds their society together. Parenting is a long and dedicated process. Infants are completely dependent, clinging to their mothers for months, learning the vital skills, what to eat, how to behave, who to trust, that they will need to survive in their complex world. The world of monkeys is one of breathtaking diversity and wonder. But it is a world under threat. Habitat loss from deforestation, the illegal pet trade, and bushmeat hunting are pushing many of these incredible species to the brink. The lion tamarin, the drill, the Sumatran orangutan, and ape, but a close relative, all are critically endangered. But there is hope. Through dedicated conservation efforts, habitat protection, and supporting sustainable practices, we can ensure that the chatter of monkeys continues to echo through the world's forests for generations to come. They're more than just animals. They are a mirror into our own distant past, a testament to the power of adaptation, and a vital thread in the rich tapestry of life on Earth. By understanding them, we understand our planet a little better. And by protecting them, we protect a part of our own wild heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey across the monkey planet.